Welcome friends. In today's video is a very easy and very simple how to turn an ordinary mason jar into the centerpiece that says home. And as the seasons change, you can interchange your flower arrangements out to whatever season that's coming up next. As of right now, fall is ending and the Christmas season is beginning. And this arrangement will display beautifully anywhere throughout your home. Now let's get started. Thank you so much, friend, for watching this very simple how to make this fall centerpiece using mason jars. It's very easy and simple to do. And like I said, when it comes to your arrangements, you can change them out to whatever season that's coming up next. I really enjoy decorating my home and love sharing my inspirations with you. If you're new to my channel, could you give me a like and subscribe for more content? I upload videos once a week to make your home the best home that it can possibly be. Thanks for watching.